continuing from part 1, module 8, case problem 1. We are at step 17. Step 17, we're going to create a scenarios for scenario manager. So go ahead, click Data tab, then I'm selecting the chart, Data tab, What If Analysis, Scenario Manager, and we're going to insert those 3 scenarios. First one is Seminar 1, and what cells we're going to insert. There will be attendees, registration fee, training materials, supplemental materials, and all others, right? Computing speaker, speaker travel, and all that up to miscellaneous. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Just want to make sure. Make sure all those cells correctly. Then back here, then you're going to click OK. Then we're going to insert the number as indicated, which is seminar 1, which is 200, 500, 150, 75, 1,400, 2,400, 2,000, 950, 5,000. All right, so seminar 2. Same cells, difference is only number. 300, 400, 175, 100. Computing costs, 1,200. Speaker fee, 28, 22. And speaker lodging, 1,200. Then 4,500. Seminar 3, 150, 600, 135, 55, 600. Speaker fees, 2,600. Speaker travel, 1,600. Speaker lodging, 1,000. And 448. Hopefully I didn't make any typo. Okay, gonna click OK. So we set up those 3 seminars, and see the instruction says showing. You need to show the cost per person, balance from each seminar as the result. So we're gonna show those 2 items as the results. All right. So we need to click show so that we can I didn't mean to click show, right? I suppose click summary. I'm sorry. Summary. And the result cell, again, cost per person, which is right there. And the other one, balance. Then you click OK. And this should be the results. All right. And we're going to move these worksheets to the end of the workbook. So I'll move right there. So as you can see, current value is 200 in those three different scenario, and it's going to give you cost per person and balance. So kind of interesting. With the 300 attendees, you you'll have a negative value because of what's so high here. Speaker fee, lodging, cost per person is too high. All right, let's move on. Step 19. Now we are not done with this scenario management. Step 9 says show the result of scenario 3 to this current worksheets. So I'm going to go back to what if scenario manager. So seminar 3, which is scenario 3, need to show to this current worksheet. So I'm going to click show so that this will be the current with 150 attendees. Then I'm going to close. Then we're going to keep moving to step 20. Step 20 is um, kind of hard to understand. So basically what we need to do is we need to insert the function which will be equals 1000 times exp, which is exponent of exponentiation of minus B6. Okay, you type B6 or click registration fee. It should work fine. Okay, and multiply by 500. Should be 500. It's not 75. Either typo or they didn't explain well. Because what it's saying was you need to make it like S6, S21. S6, S21 is right here. So as you can see, this is divided by 500, right? So that's something you need to do rather than 75. So I could be typo there. Anyway, so you should make it just like that in B5. That's the kind of formula they come up with. Uh, make it optimal number of attendees, I guess. Anyway, that's what you need to there. In step 20, then step 21, we're going to use the solver. Okay, solver so that we can find the maximized numbers for uh, this model. Maximizing balance. That's basically what we're going to do. Click solver, and we're going to maximize the balance. So we're going to click balance, which would be 29. And by changing what? By changing the P, of course, right? So B6 will be variable, okay? Then constraint, what kind of constraint we have? I think it's pretty simple constraint, which is registration fee should be an integer, so no real number or anything like that. So we're going to insert a constraint there, and registration fee B6. Then you're going to click int, which is integer. Then that's it. Don't change anything else. All you do is just click integer at the second box and click OK. Then your solver is ready. Then you're going to click solve and it'll give you results to the background. See that? So the optimal number of attendees will be 200 to maximize. All right, so what we're gonna do next, think we're gonna keep this. Okay, so the final result, you should have 200 from this solver. Then you click OK. Then you save it. So if you save it, as you can see, those some major step that we gathered will be lost because of the course we changed quite a bit. So it's really hard to get back to specific steps to fix things. So you might want to save it as different stages. It's a different name. But anyway, this is it. If you have any questions, let me know.